So today my topic is MCQs in zoology. So now we will start it from first question. The first question is the accessory respiratory organ dash developed in the marine fishes. The options are rarely, number B definitely, number C always, and number D surely. The correct answer is number A, rarely. That means the accessory respiratory organs. It means respiratory organs other than the normal respiratory organ. That means in the primary respiratory organs, that means lung and gills. These are the primary respiratory organs. In some fishes, besides that, some other organs perform the function of respiration. They are called accessory respiratory organs. So these respiratory organs are not common in all fishes, but in some fishes it is found. So correct answer is rarely. Number B, second, the air bladder is modified for aerial respiration and act as. Number options are number A lobe, number B lung, number C liver, and number D limb. So correct answer is lung. That means air bladder is present in some fishes by the help of which the benthic fishes itself store the air from the surface of water and enters into the bottom of the river where they utilize the air from this air bladder and which acts as a lung. The next question is the air bladder in higher bony fishes serving as dash organ. The options are number A hydrophobic, number B hydrophilic, number C hydrostatic, and number D hydrolytic. So correct answer is hydrostatic. The next question is dash is a small highly vascularized sac located behind the gills of some fishes. The options are number A air vent, number B air hole, C air vessel, and D air chamber. So correct answer is air chamber. That means the in some the fishes air chambers are small but highly vascularized, located behind the gill of fishes and helpful to carry oxygen from the water to the other parts of the body. The next question is the Mesozoic era is called dash age of reptiles. The options are number A golden, number B silver, number C diamond, and number D platinum. So correct answer is golden. That means in the age of Mesozoic period, the number of reptiles becomes more and more. So this era is known as or also called golden age of reptiles. So its correct answer is number A. Now the next question is Saurischia also called dash like dinosaurs. So options are number A rat, B reptile, C rhinoceros, and D rattlesnake. So the correct answer is reptilia. That means dinosaurs is similar to reptilian and Saurischia is also called reptilian animal similar having the characters similar to that of the reptilia. Next question is Bronchosaurus was a swamp dweller dash dinosaur. The options are number A carnivorous, number B omnivorous, number C herbivorous, and number B sanguivorous. So correct answer is herbivorous. That means they eat plants. Such animals are called herbivorous animals and Bronchosaurus is also one of them. The next question is pterosaurs are also called dash dash reptiles. The options are number A fox, B foal, C fish and D flying. So correct answer is flying organism because they fly in air. So they are called flying reptiles. Next question is Dimetrodon was a carnivorous dash dash like reptiles. The options are mammal, B. Eos, C. Fish, D. Amphibians. So, Dimetrodon was a carnivorous mammal-like reptile. That means it is a reptile, but it looks like or having some character similar to that of mammal. So, it is mammal-like reptile, and the correct answer is number A, mammal. Next question is whales develops. The options are ecosystem, B ecoenergy, C ecolocation and D ecophysiology. So its a correct answer is ecolocation. Now the next question is seals live a schizophrenic lifestyle as both land and sea animals dash dash. The options are schizophrenic, B mixed, C aerial and D arboreal. So correct answer is schizophrenic. The next question is aquatic mammals store oxygen in lung dash dash percent and in muscle dash dash percent. The options are 9 and 41%, 19 and 51%, 29 and 61% and D 39 and 71%. So the correct answer is number A 9 and 41%. That means in the aquatic mammals the oxygen is stored in lung only 9% and in muscles 41%. The next question is eyes without nictitating membrane and dash dash glands in aquatic mammals. That means in aquatic mammals eyes are present without nictitating membrane and dash dash gland. The options are number A lacrimal, number B liver, number C lung and number B D libosa. So correct answer is lacrimal. So lacrimal glands are present in the eyes. Liver, lung and these are not present in the internal side of the body. So lacrimal glands are present in the eyes. So in the case of the aquatic mammal, these are absent. Now the next question is a subcutaneous layer of fat called dash dash is present below the skin of seal. The option is number A blubber, number B babelli, number C balloon, number D balloon. The correct answer is blubber. So the thick layer of fat which is present below the skin is called blubber. So this is the options of the MCQs. Correct answers are here. So thank you very much.